Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm making a really simple recipe for you. This is my oil-free sun-dried tomatoes. Today I'm using the Sedona Express Dehydrator. This is my favorite model. I've got this one at home. It's really nice and compact and does a really good job dehydrating. So we're gonna get started and just start by cutting up our tomatoes. So we just wanna try and cut them as evenly as possible in thickness so that they all dry at the same time. I'm just gonna cut them about 1 centimeter. This may look quite thick to you, but they actually shrivel down quite small. Awesome, so these are all, as even as the best of my ability. So these can be flavored however you want. You could add some chili and all different spices. I've just got some nice Italian herbs here. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit on each. Doesn't have to be too perfect. And then just a little crack of salt on each. We don't want too much of this. Almost not even cracking that, just so a few gets on there. So our Sedona has the 2-stage sequential temperature timer feature on it. So that means that we can put it on a higher temperature for a short period of time to really dry it out, and then go down on a lower temperature for the remainder of the time. We know that it's on because both our fast and raw mode light are turned on. So that's correct. So we now just need to press set. And this is where we're going to change our temperature. So we're going to pop it on, go down 1 degree at a time down to 63. We hit set. We're just going to pop that on for 2 hours. So this is our lower temperature that we're going to put on for a longer period of time. So we're going to pop that on for 43 degrees, set. And then we're going to put that on for 7 hours, set. And then that's ready to go. So we can just hit start. It's really quiet. I can't hear it when it's on at night. Pop that open, it'll automatically turn off, and then our light feature will come on, which is handy. Here is what I prepared earlier. I actually did a regular truss tomato and a Roma tomato just to see if there was a difference, because there's less water in the Roma. As you can see, they turned out very much the same. So that is ready. Otherwise, you can optionally now pop that in oil to marinate if you would like. But, that is beautiful to me. That is perfect. It's so flavorsome. It's such a good snack. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. Happy dehydrating.